Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to change app icon in your Android phone. You cannot change your app icon properly using any third-party apps. So if you want to change your app icon, then you have to change your theme. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen. And here at the bottom you can see themes option. Then just tap on themes and then tap on top. Now from here you can download any theme as you like. Suppose if you want to download this theme, just tap here. Now if you download this theme, then that will change your app icon. Then just tap on download and give it a moment to download it. And the download is complete. Now just close the app. Now if you want to change theme, just touch and hold it again. And then tap on themes. Then tap on menu. Then tap on my stuff. And then select downloaded theme from here. Then tap on apply and give it a moment, and that's it. You can see you have successfully changed app icon in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.